Hi teacher, hi classmates, good afternoon. Presenting my math skills technique for multiplying two digits with 11, which only means of spelling. Wait. Capable to 11. This is my problem. I have 11 baskets and I want to fill each basket with 62 mangoes. How many will I need?
So probably we don't have enough.
First, get the given numbers, which is 62.
The ones that missed. Zach missed 1 and Ethan missed 28 and 29, but I will check the other one that you're still talking about.
And 11.
I will check this. And then Ariel does number 9. Right? Ariel did not get that. Okay. So how about the others? Do you have any numbers?
Second, what is being asked? How many mangoes will I need?
Alright, so I will take all. Okay, para we will tell. Okay? Ariel, don't think yet. Okay.
Third, what is the operation? The operation to use is multiplication.
So that's it. Let's end the what do you call this? The exam. Okay. So perhaps a little trouble with the timer. I don't know why actually. Why is that?
Here is the solution. Separate the 62.
Okay, the mark is those items. Okay? Alright, so teacher, yes.
When is your exam on
English. Oh, depending on the time that Aries will have. It's not changed. It's not changed. Alright.
Then add them. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Put the 8 in the middle.
Can you see the screen? I checked your score anymore. Yes. Okay.
The total of mangoes I need to fill each basket with 62 mangoes is 682. That's all, teacher. Bye-bye.
Okay, so I have a question for you, real teacher. Okay, so will it work if any numbers that I can multiply with 11? So you just have to add the 2 digits and put it in the middle, right?
higher dapat
So
yung
will it
higher
work
dapat
if
yung
any numbers or any 2 digits numbers that will multiply by 11? Do you think it will work?
I'm sorry teacher, I cannot hear you because I'm
Teacher, I cannot hear you.
You cannot hear me. Okay, so let's clap for Sean. Okay, so let's clap for Sean this time. Okay, so Sean, thank you for sharing. Okay, so Sean shows us a shortcut on how to multiply numbers by 11 really quick. So you just have to add the 2 numbers and put the sum at the middle of the given number. So you will get the answer. Okay, so thank you for the shortcut, Sean. Okay, so
Okay, let's see. Okay, I will.
now we're done with presenting of your work. But okay, Bennett, do you want to perform again? Okay, so let's make it real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna pin you up.